Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1949 Buick Roadmaster Deluxe. This is a two-door fastback with a Dynaflow. It's an automatic transmission. I was like, this tranny's been rebuilt. Man, look at the styling on this. And that's a big two-door. Killer with the signature side vents on the fender. And check these taillights out. That was when America was great. Killer. Man, such a cool sloping design. So pretty. Dynaflow means automatic. It's basically a power glide. Such a cool retro styling. Added seatbelts. It's finished in a olive color, the gray interior. Nice big stout grille. The hood opens from either side. 6-volt system. Man, look at these Spearhead parking lights. So pretty. Straight 8 under the hood. Single barrel carburetor. Very simple back then. Dual horns. Certainly don't make them like this anymore. Nice super straight body. And I love the sloping design. It's freaking cool. It's pretty cool how it starts too. Kind of like the Packard. So neat. The switch is kind of like the Bel Air. How cool is that? Added seat belts like I said. 69,876 miles. I think that's real mileage. So you just turn the key and you push the gas pedal all the way down. How cool is that? So neat. Day-night mirror. Super advanced. This is the antenna. Turn it up and down, and it kind of comes down and up. And then seats in this position right there. AM radio. I could not get that to come on. Kind of let it warm up for a while, but you need the radio when you got the sound of this thing. So cool. Lights come on here. So neat. Love this interior too. Pinstripes. And then it's got like a vinyl back here. Check this out. Oh, cool. Then it's got this handle similar to the Packard right there. Big lofty seat. Yeah, so cool. Look at this headliner. Beautiful. So cool. It's almost like an Alcantara. You know, it's got like a suede feel to it. The visors. They give you a little piece of leather right here so you don't wear it out. Yeah, look at that steering wheel. That is so cool. Buick Roadmaster 8. So neat. Cool sound too. It's so unique. So the lights are on. Such cool styling. I mean, look at this door handle. The ribs in here, just artfully done. Oh, that is so cool. Look at this sticker, 900 years old. Cool. Very pretty. Love the combination of cloth and vinyl in here, and how the green kind of comes in, you know. This interior almost looks tailored, you know. Cool. Nice big straight 8. Runs really nice. Very cool. Man, love that big grill. That's so cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, weebyautos.com. Or give me a call, 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.